We work around 4 core values in this organization. The first one is to work hard. Everybody around here follows that creed. Second one is that we welcome challenges. That's the basis of what we do around here. Our business is sorting out what needs doing in a difficult situation in situ for an industrial client. Repairing, maintaining, constructing, or building on-site machining and heat treating applications. Our third one is really about how we run this organization and who we are. That's we before me. That means Mactech has got to be at the forefront, not the individual, because we are bringing so many resources to bear. It has to be around what is the best for the team and how do we get the best accomplished in the field. And finally is wow them. We really want the customers to really be excited when we show up, when we're going to look good, we're going to feel good, and we're going to walk out the door and they're going to be really glad that they called us.